It's Tiki Thursday, the captain's back. Mixing up flavors with a tropical knack. Grab some mint leaves, 6 or 8, and a pinch of salt. It's gonna taste great.
Yeah, a spoonful of lime juice to bring the zest. Muddle it up, give it your best. The glass is prepped, the magic's begun. The ginger pineapple mocktail, it's so much fun. Oh! Stir it up, let the flavors collide. It's a ginger pineapple muddle, take the ride. No booze needed, it's fresh and clean. Captain Arresto's got the tiki scene.
Ice in the glass, let it chill the mix. Pineapple juice, 2 ounces does the trick. A teaspoon of cider, apples bite. Then top it with ginger beer, pure delight.
But garnish it up with mint and a slice. Pineapple dreams that taste so nice. Raise your glass, it's time to cheers. Mocktail magic for tiki years. Air.
Staying sober to captain the ship. Mocktails are perfect for a steady grip. Set sail safely, enjoy the ride with a ginger pineapple muddle by your side.
No worries, no waves, the course is clear. Mocktail magic keeps you in gear. Chart the stars, head for home. This tiki treat makes the night your own. Stir it up, let the flavors collide. It's a ginger pineapple muddle, take the ride. No booze needed, it's fresh and clean. Captain Arresto's got the tiki scene. If you love these vibes, don't forget to share. Hit that like and subscribe, show you care. On Brewing with the Captain, we bring the fun. Mocktails and cocktails for everyone. Leave a comment, tell us what you think. Let us know your favorite drink. Join the crew, let's set sail. Captain Arresto never fails. Stir it up, let the flavors collide. It's a ginger pineapple muddle, take the ride. On Tiki Thursday, the vibes are keen. Captain Arresto's mocktail is a tropical dream. So here's to the captain, his tiki way, making mocktails magic every Thursday. A sip of paradise in every pour. Ginger pineapple muddle, we want more.